So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a drop down menu in Duda website. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Duda website builder. On there on the left you can see layers, you can see theme, pages, widgets, media, content, you can see personalize, sell online, blog, app source, SEO and settings, learn, and some AI options. Now from here I suggest you go to widgets, and there isn't a straight way to add a drop down menu, but you can use the navigation links that they offer. Now if you insert it here, you can see here what your navigation items include, so site pages. So if you do that as a drop down menu, you can manage site pages in the pages panel, and you can add site pages to there. So if you, let's say you manage it through pages on this site and you just list the pages and create links between them, that's something you can do. You can also go to custom links. Now if you do that, the first one will be home, then you can add an item, basically telling you to maybe go to home or FAQs, and it will take them to a completely different website that's not strictly linked to your store or your website that you're building there. You can do that. You can also go through, I'll just show you again. If you type out navigation, you can use a mega menu widget, an exciting way to present your site navigation. So you can use that. That will actually create a drop down menu as a sub section of your parent page. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.